Hello. I want to talk to you a little bit about stress and the body. Sprayology offers a few products that really can help a body under stress, but sometimes we got to look at each formula that can do this a little differently to see which product, or maybe all three products, are best for you. So stress can affect every function of the body. It affects the body's ability to detox, the immune system's ability to function and stay strong. It's like when that stress comes over you, everything kind of goes haywire. Some obvious ways stress affects the body. We know sometimes we have more trouble sleeping when we're under stress. Our mind starts to turn and things happen at night, and we just can't get the quality of sleep, which allows the body to heal and be more resilient against stress. So it all kind of works together. So stress is really something you got to pay attention to. And there are many resources out there and different ways to do it, whether it's meditation or exercise or hydration. All of these things come into play and help the body, but sometimes it's just you need a little bit more. And we really have three products that work differently for different purposes. Like I said, some people take all of them, some take one of them, some take two of them. So stress relief, this is how I see it, is more like a fast acting formulation. This is, I feel stressed right now. It is for anxiety, nervousness, mood swings, irritability. It's like when your day is not able to be its fullest because the stress is distracting your ability to function at your highest level. So it's like you're wound up and you just can't get your mind clear to get back on task. So that's an opportunity to take stress relief and really very quickly, within a few minutes, start to feel calmness come over your body. This is a multi-homeopathic ingredient with, I want to say about 8 ingredients, including passion flower and valerian and some other things that are known. But when you take these together, these ingredients homeopathically, they're very gentle and they don't make you feel sleepy or drugged. There's no side effects, no contraindications, and we guarantee our products. But how I see the stress relief is, I'm feeling stressed right now, take it for that immediate relief. If you are dealing with anxiety and nervousness on a regular basis, you can take the product 2 sprays 3 times a day, or even a little more frequently, just to kind of go at it in advance. Now, some people don't need that. Some people, it's just like, oh my gosh, it's 4 o'clock. I still have multiple hours of work to finish before this day's out, and I've got to get home to my family, and I have to make dinner, and all these things going on. That is another good time to take stress relief. Our clients have shared with us things like, I took it walking into an interview and I was able to maintain my calm. I took it before a date or an audition. Another way to just kind of have that in your pocket, in your car, in your purse, and just take it out and take a spray. Now, we have another formula that a lot of people who are experiencing a lot of stress really get a great deal of benefit from, and this would be body balance. Body balance is not for everyone. This is when stress has become physical. So what that means is you're starting to see outward signs of a body under stress. So that can be fatigue, low energy, a loss of sense of well-being. Some people might report dizziness, fatigue, or just a vague feeling like, gosh, I've been under so much lately and I just don't feel like myself. Some people will talk about this as adrenal weakness or adrenal exhaustion. We really just know that when the body is under a great deal of stress, you can have these types of symptoms that result from mental stress that's prolonged. And this does happen in association with the adrenals. When the adrenals are under stress and putting out a stress hormone, the brain comes in and says, look, I'm the boss and you're not good for me and I'm going to slow you down. And some people will find they gain weight there. Some people will lose weight. It really depends on your body's functioning. But body balance, if you're under stress for prolonged regular periods, external stress, this is a great product to take. And what we call this a lifestyle product, which means take it 2 sprays 3 times a day. Whereas the stress relief, you could just take it when needed, or you could also take it 2 sprays 3 times a day. Another product that's in this collection, actually, we do have a 3-pack set that is of these 3 products is called Everyday Energy. And this is not one of our homeopathics. This is one of our supplements. This is methylcobalamin, B12, and folate. Both are very good for energy, but they're also really good for a body under stress. They give back those nutrients that allows your body to work and function at a more healthy and more youthful level. And maintaining that energy also supports your outlook and other things that are impacted by stress. So these 3 products together are terrific. The Everyday Energy formula does have a flavor. It tastes like a green apple. It's very crisp. It's completely natural. It's made in the US. It's non-GMO, and it's vegan. So enjoy your sprays. Take care of stress, manage it, be aware of it, notice it in your life. You're the only one who can impact it, so find the way that works best for you, and possibly Sprayology will be one of those ways to help you support your body when it's under stress.